In this experiment, we will study the deflection of beta radiation in a magnetic field. Connect a GM tube to a counter. Set the voltage of the counter to 400 volts. Place a beta source 15 centimeters in front of the GM tube. Form a narrow gap in front of the source using 2 sheets of lead. This can ensure the radiation travels along one direction only. Measure the count rate. Now insert a pair of slab-shaped magnets between the source and the GM tube. How does the count rate change? Move the GM tube to a position at which the count rate is restored. What does this experiment tell us about beta radiation?